Mr. 300C. Yo, this Challenger Hellcat got some work done to it. Dang! This joint is modified for sure. That's crazy. I don't even know what this is. Is this a red eye or is this the regular Hellcat? Doesn't even say. Got the new tags on there. Looks legit. Wide body joint. That looks nice. Love this hood too. Anyway, we're not here for that. We're here for this bad boy. We're leaving the dealership. Gonna go see my baby. Talk about all this stuff right here. We're gonna talk about all this stuff. All this pricing. Hello, 300. Mad hot. It's like 100 degrees today. Woo! Alright, let's start this bad boy up. Nice. Started right up on the first one. Ooh, 97 degrees. Oh, I gotta put this air on, yo. I am not going anywhere until this car is cool. It's bad hot. It's so flippin' hot. Alright, man. I don't know what happened on that video, but I think my phone overheated. So I was talking for a while and it wasn't recording, but didn't realize that it was overheated. But anyway, let's continue where we left off. We outside, we home. Look at that turf, man. I got turf in my backyard, trampoline for the kids, red house special, basketball court. Trying to live, man. Concrete pad. Whoop, whoop. We're gonna go for a little chat. I'm gonna sit down outside though. Alright. Let's chat. Okay, we're gonna talk about this right here. That's what we're gonna talk about. So I got all the work done on the car. And let's go over what was done and how much everything was. So we got the transmission gasket pan replaced. That was $44, and then we had 6 quarts of transmission fluid. They were charging $6.56 for that. So 8 times $6.56, $52 and change. And then they put the filter kit for the transmission. That was $32 or $34 technically. And took care of that trans work for me, so that came out to $265. And then they had some software updates they found on the 300. They saw the TCM was outdated, the FCM was outdated, and the sunroof module was outdated. So they updated all those 3 softwares, and that was $108. I had them look at the serpentine belt. They said it was good, nothing was wrong with it. So we straight there. So the total to get everything fixed was $421.35, which is pretty good. I was expecting like close to $600, but we lucked out. So yeah, happy about that. And the car feels great. I put the tune back on. It's starting to start up on the first crank now. So, you know, I think my theory was right about it having some old carbon buildup or something like that in the engine. I'm still gonna buy some, I think it's called Cataclean. One of the viewers recommended me getting that to clean out the catalytic converters and the exhaust system, so I'm gonna go buy that. It's like $25 a bottle, pretty crazy. Yeah, can't be more happy. 300's running good, everything's solid, and drives great. And Saturday, I get to get my front passenger and front driver's side windows tinted. Thank goodness. The time is ready. I'm excited and ready to stop
fishbowlin
in the front windows. I'm not going to do anything to the front windshield just because I know eventually I'm going to get some rock chips. A lot of rocks and trucks out here in Utah. Big wheelers, 18 wheelers, they always messing people's windshields up, so I don't want to have to deal with that. And having that replaced with the tint on there, I got to pay money to get it done on there, so I'm not messing with it. One of my homies hooked me up with the guy he used. Shout out Chris P, you know who you are. And yeah, looking forward to it. Then I'm planning probably around September to get my wheels, my black wheels, my Hellcat Replica 2 wheels with the 5 spokes. It's gonna be dope. And then the car will be complete, I think, at that point. Then I can do small things. So yeah, that was a quick update with the 300. And yeah, time to relax. Time to go do some boxing. I've been practicing some boxing in my basement. I got a 100-pound bag, and I do a little workout, get some cardio. It's pretty fun, so I enjoy it. Maybe one day I'll show you guys my house. I've been living here for like a year now, but haven't really showed it off. Your boy kind of private, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, backyard's fun. Kids like to play here, do all our fun stuff. Okay, Mr. 300C's out. Thanks for rocking with your boy. We have 4,300 subscribers plus. Keep on doing what y'all do. I'm out. Peace.